Bilimbi, tropical Asia, specifically the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. Fruit, small, green, and star-shaped, with a sour taste. Compound leaves with 11 to 37 leaflets. Tree, medium-sized, evergreen tree. Traditionally used to treat various ailments, including fever, rheumatism, and digestive issues. Ornamental, grown as an ornamental plant in gardens. Rich in vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants. Health benefits. May help boost immunity, aid digestion, and reduce inflammation. If you happy to see more my documentary videos, please subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.